Emang dikunci ya? Orang banter, orang. Oke, lanjut.
Okay, so why did you cook yesterday? I mean, why the option menu is fish and chip?
Because I look in TikTok. It's simple and I think it's really make me interested to try the recipe because easy.
Oh, easy.
For me.
It's the first trial, the second or
First.
first trial?
Yep.
Oh, fish and chips is the first trial.
Oh, iya, first try ya, pertama kali nyoba masak itu kan.
Okay, but for cooking, is that the second or the third trial?
I forgot because so
many.
Okay. So much ya.
So many.
So many kan? So many times.
Yes, so many times you go. So I like the taste, not too salty.
So you don't like salty?
No, I like salt. I like salty, but not too salty, of course. Because I think it's normal. It's not too salty. I like it. And
salty
you cook well.
Itu like gurih gitu ya?
Yeah, asin. Ya gurih. Yeah. Next one.
Namanya last cook?
Just this morning. I cooked, tofu.
Oh, tofu that so soft.
I mashed the tofu. I mixed with the egg, and then I fried those ingredients. So simple.
But with seasoning or
No,
just
without seasoning, just tofu. I mashed the tofu with the salt, of course, with one onion. I also one onion, and then I put in the egg. I put the egg in, and then I mix it, and then I fry it.
But
Omelette.
that was good.
Scrambled egg.
Scrambled egg, omelette.
Scrambled egg. This morning, so I have breakfast with that, and my kids also.
But you cook for your family?
No, because this morning I do not give my husband any cook because I was picked up late today.
So your
I
husband
woke up late because my son has day off. I mean, he doesn't go to school. My son,
the older.
He is just 3 years old, but I haven't. And it started. Yeah, and the school has started. So on this January. So today we have day off. So I woke up late. So I didn't cook anything. I just give my husband rice. And I asked him to buy, what is it? Food in warteg or somewhere. And because I never cook.
But why you not cook him the omelette?
I haven't because I woke up late and he has to go to the work as soon as possible. So in hurry, I don't prepare any.
So you just cook rice?
Yeah.
But I think rice is long, right?
No, I mean I do not cook rice. The rice is the left from yesterday. Yeah.
Oh, yesterday. Yeah. So
just
recook the rice.
Because to be honest, I never cook for my husband, but my husband cook for me. Sometimes.
Ih, lucu banget.
Nggak lucu dong.
Iya dong, biasanya jarang. Bukan actually however that we cannot do, but if our husband accept that, so we'll be happy. I mean, like that's just normal thing.
Yeah, but actually maybe he cook for me when he have day off from work.
What does he cook?
For example, when I was in Ungaran, on the family from Ungaran, cook bihun. You know bihun lah
Oh,
ya.
with what?
Bihun dia mie goreng bihun gitu.
Oh, mie goreng.
Bihun, but because I never cooked that and I like it enak ya, terus my daughter also like it, and then ya nanti my husband says, okay, I will cook for you if you like it. And Nusra, my daughter, my daughter's name Nusra, like it, I will cook for you. Okay, like that. For example,
In Ungaran, in your husband parents.
yeah,
Mertua ya? Mertua apa ya?
yeah, my husband's parents. What is it? Mom-in-law?
Mom-in-law.
Yeah,
Oh,
mom-in-law.
parents-in-law berarti.
Yeah, yeah, kan?
Oh, mungkin ya. Aku soalnya agak lupa.
Yeah, the mom-in-law. Or my mom, yeah, but not my mom cooks the meal because my husband's mom still sick,
Oh,
so my husband's sister-in-law, my husband's sister cooked, okay, because my sister or my husband's sister has 4 children.
oh, for apa saudara?
4 children.
Oh,
4 children, yeah. 4 children, so she cook much. I like it. But my husband also have ever cooked me rendang when Idul Adha.
dan
Yeah, cook
mie rendang.
bukan mie rendang, cook mie rendang.
Oh,
rendang.
cook
Yeah.
mie rendang.
Yeah.
Aku bilang mie rendang. Ngapain juga masak mie?
Rendang. And
I see.
really, I mean, I never cook.
So the
And special food never cook. I just cook like scrambled egg
and
and
rice.
rice, and
Maybe there's some nuggets like that.
no, I never cook. For me it's too difficult, like what is
To
it?
fry it.
What is it? Too many ingredients, many tutorial. What is it? Many steps that I have to pass. I have to do, so I don't like it. I just like a simple steps to cook.
I think some menu that simple is like just frying like a nuggets or sausage.
Oh,
Maybe with
instant nuggets.
instant
Oh no.
like for apa tambahan extra menu like that. Not just not just egg with rice, but with some maybe sausage or something.
No.
Tapi masa nggak pernah dikasih mbak udah apa gitu?
Kasih apa maksudnya?
Sausage atau like the instant the
No.
frozen food gitu.
We what is it? If for the frozen food, we choose like for snack.
Oh, this the example.
Risol.
Nah, lah itu bisa.
Yeah, but it's not the main meal, right? It's just for
Iya,
snacks.
snack.
It's not from the frozen food. Risoles or what is it? Even I never have or any stock like the French fries, frozen fries. No, I never. Very simple because I always say my husband. I'm the simple woman. I can cook only with egg. It's for me. It's the best meal. Even though I know every taste of any kind of menu like chicken, but for me the best is egg. I don't know. I really like because it's instant, it's simple, and I like. I never be bored with the egg. I don't know why. Sometimes maybe the option can be chicken, but not like every day as the egg.
But your sister and brother, how? They they doesn't like to cook too or different.
Oh, Latifah likes to cook because she lives alone in Gayam, right? She doesn't live with us. She likes to cook if she has free, but mostly also because she is busy, she buy.
Oh yeah.
She buys
Kelihatan sih.
because yeah, she's just young. Yeah, just like me, buy like geprek, but I never. I buy geprek, but not.
Try to
so,
recook.
yeah, literally cook the chicken. I buy. Yeah, and my brother can cook. I don't know about the wife. And my sister,
Oh, bawahnya Tifa.
no, my
Oh,
first sister.
older sister.
Yeah, the older sister cook every day for family.
Wow.
And
so the big
different
portion.
menu.
The big portion.
Yeah, the big portion for husband, for children, every day.
In your
she
mom's
cook.
house, right?
No, different house of course.
Different house.
The only one that haven't got home is from my side. I am with my husband. I'm still living with my parents, yeah, my parents. But my first sister and the second sister lives with her husband.
And Mbak Latifa is
Living alone.
living alone. So the house is.
The house is parents. My parents' house, but different house.
Why not you live in there?
I.
Why not?
So small.
Oh, small. Like for.
Not only small house, but it's okay if the house is small. I think I can I can deal with that, but I cannot deal with the street.
Huh? Why?
Because it's like
busy
small street, like a lengkong.
Oh, lengkong.
Blusuk.
Oh.
Because it is like difficult to access the house. Difficult to access the house. That's why actually the first time I married with my husband, I invite him to live in that house, but my husband doesn't accept. Doesn't want to. I don't know why the reason that time. I forgot maybe. But then my husband asked me to contract to rent a house, but I do not agree. So
why?
Because
To
mini budget, yeah. Mini budget. I have to save more money to buy a house or to save money for a house lah ya.
Yeah.
Just renting, so I just to live with my family. But then actually my mother also offer me the house, like you can live there, but the street is too small. For example, if I want to have a house and I want to open a class for students, the students cannot access the house because and even the information of the plan,
I think
the spender and the MMT cannot be shown.
I forgot that you have a student that comes to your house,
Nowadays, no, I don't have. I come to because for me it's more flexible, yeah.
Tapi pernah ya?
Iya pernah.
But
now I just to come to their house because so many students need the teacher goes to their home, to their house, then the student comes to my house, so I think it's okay. Ya udahlah sekalian aja. So sekali keluar aku langsung beberapa daripada yang satu di luar dan satu di rumahku, jadi aku daripada bolak-balik ke rumah lagi aja keluar muter-muter lah. So
second question itu tadi famous.
Masa sih?
Tadi udah kepenjel sih, tapi nggak apa-apa.
A famous person you like?
Aku juga bilang
from Indonesia.
Siapa ya? Pernah sih, but I forgot. Famous person.
Yeah, it's the
How about you? You first, but
famous person. Famous.
Nggak terkenal itu ya? Maybe artist.
When I was kid, I like Mikato. Mostly when I like character or when I like people or person, I like the character, not like the face, the
Oh, the
beautiful,
personal,
the personal, yeah,
yeah,
the personality.
personal.
That time I like Yuki Kato because she is a girl, but when I look Yuki Kato, it's like the character look like me.
Oh, the guy.
Yeah, because she is a girl, but she is not girly.
Oh,
She's not girly.
oh yeah, a bit
Gitu loh. It's
tomboy.
not, yeah, it's not too feminine lah ya
Yeah,
for me ya. So I like that though.
when I'm kid, I like tomboy. I mean, like I doesn't like the character that to have too much feminine energy and
I don't like it.
too much pink on their shirt or something like that. I don't like it.
I mean the way that she also speak, it's not like a girl. I mean it's not too girly lah ya.
Yeah.
Because I don't like girly things. I like yeah normal
Or
normal girl.
normal girl, enggak juga. Ah,
Yeah, I don't like girly things.
until now.
Until now. Until now, I don't like girly. It's like wearing what is it bracelet or rings. I don't like it.
Oh, pantesan nggak pakai. So when boleh nggak sih nanya? I mean like a bit personal.
Yeah.
So when
So you're not.
you married, what the mahar? I mean like you don't wear the
Oh,
ring.
the mahar.
I mean like if
Dowry.
your husband,
Dowry is mahar kalau nggak salah. Dowry.
what is that?
In
Dowry.
English of mahar.
Oh,
English of
dowry ya.
Dowry.
I mean like maybe must be your husband like give you some, I mean accessory bracelet or apa kalung like that, but I never see you wear it. Maybe apa kalung ya, but
No,
I don't know.
necklace.
Necklace.
Yeah. Actually, when my husband proposed me, not my husband asked me about what dowry
You want,
can I give you, but his mother.
What?
His mother. His mother asked me like, what dowry do you want?
Oh, why not your
And I
husband?
said, I don't know.
Why not your husband?
I don't know. Because you know my husband just terima jadi. Nama sih bahasa Inggris.
Oh ya Allah.
Iya.
Tapi simpel banget sih.
Terus
Dan apa? Kayak kamu tuh simpel banget.
you
Suamimu
know
juga.
doesn't prepare the wedding
Yet.
all that time. I mean, his father prepared the wedding.
Lah, ada yang mau nikah. Ya.
Yeah, prepared the wedding. Yeah, because kan the son ya.
So what the mahar?
Ring and necklace.
Why you don't wear it? Iya nggak sih, Mbak?
For
Why?
what?
I mean like it's your husband gift like
Yeah,
propose.
but my husband do not also ask me to wear it.
Oh like that.
Yeah,
I think
and I'm afraid to
lose it.
lose
Yeah.
it because
Oh,
my
yeah,
husband
sih.
knows and I know. I'm so what is it in English ya? Clumsy. No,
Oh, dams. Kok damsi apa sih?
Ceroboh in English.
Ceroboh itu kayak apa ya? Clumsy nggak sih? Bener?
Clumsy.
Clumsy deh. Nggak tahu.
Iya. Saya ada lagunya tuh, aku tuh lupa jadi. Lagunya Clumsy and apa? Iya. Not ya careless lah ya.
Oh
Careless.
yeah.
I know that I'm careless and my husband knows that I'm careless and he knows me well. He knows me
Yeah.
well that I'm not a girl. I don't like girly things. So I don't wear it. I just keep it like investigation.
Oh yeah.
But
I see.
whenever I need it or we need it in what is it dangerous or emergency, maybe we can sell that. So it's not something like precious for me, yeah. Something just
Normal.
not
Like that.
just like not. I don't see it as jewelry, but I see it as the investment.
Oh.
When there is emergency, I can sell it. I don't need to wear it because I don't like it. And to nggak suka aja ribet lah.
I think you're really unique ya, Mbak. I mean like mostly woman likes to buy jewelry
Yeah. But-
and when I see you like this, I mean it's so unik aja gitu. Bisa
Oh,
gitu ya. Aku kira
I don't think. Aku malah I thought that the woman also doesn't like jewelry like me. I don't know.
if me ya if me I not I like it but not too much like other maybe I just choose like the I don't like the color of gold actually.
You don't like it.
Yeah. If my I have a gold ring or some jewelry that really
That's why it's silver. It's silver or not?
silver.
Yeah.
If my mom give to me, but I never asked to. I mean, like I never want to buy for me.
Oh yeah.
But for my mom, because my mom like apa sih nyuruh aku buat pakai gitu.
Ask your mom
me
asked you
to wear because
the jewelry.
But I always choose the color silver, emas putih, white gold ya,
White gold.
and rose gold antara dua itu.
Oh.
I never the
White gold and rose gold I think it's
different.
more expensive.
No, the
yeah.
white gold is more
Cheaper.
actually.
Mm.
Cheaper when it sells again, resell. More cheaper, masa turun harganya lebih banyak.
Oh.
Mungkin kalau beli ya udah harganya segitu.
So the most expensive is still the gold.
And rose gold I think. So nowadays when my mom asked me, I choose rose gold, but I really merhatiin the color itu. Because I never like this color. I mean like emas kan tahu sendiri kan mbak sekuning apa. I don't like it. Apalagi waktu aku.
You don't like yellow.
So when I went to Madura itu benar-benar culture shock banget.
Why?
Yeah, because when I go to wedding, I mean, some people wedding ya.
Also, you went there because your family has a wedding party.
Actually, it's not my family. It's like a neighbor of my family in
Oh,
Madura.
wow.
But when I went there, I mean, kayak main kesana aja ada acara. But then tiba-tiba suddenly it have a wedding day.
Oh,
So
yeah.
I went to the wedding day and then I really shocked because they have so much jewelry, like the biggest one. I mean like segini. Nutup loh mbak, like necklace. But nutup segini ini mending kalau benang doang.
Is it the real? I mean, the real one or just accessories? Accessories maybe.
Maybe ada yang accessories, but ada yang emang benar-benar
The real.
jewelry. Benar-benar kayak kuningnya yang gitu. Aku lihat kayak ya ampun, culture shock banget. Ini kalau dijual udah dapat banyak mesti.
Yes, of course.
Jadi sini tuh full.
Gold juga kan?
Enggak, itu jadi mbak. Warnanya.
Accessories gitu ya. It's who use that? I mean in Madura, who use the
Everyone.
Huh?
From the
Not the
youngest and
only-
the old.
Not the only bride.
No, the bride is just like normal bride, but the guest.
Yes.
Iya, because it's like apa sih orang sana tuh.
So it's like a traditional fashion.
Traditional fashion for them.
When they have wedding party, the traditional is that wearing gold fashion.
Mostly older women say.
Older woman. How
Mostly.
about the young woman?
The young woman is not too much. Maybe wear two like right and the left. Kayak gitu. But this the older one is like complete sampai sini kelihatan juga, padahal she wear hijab, bayangin gimana dong caranya. Bener-bener jadi diginiin mbak hijabnya, and then the earring apa sih namanya, earrings itu dikeluarin kayak kok bisa ya.
Okay, next. The famous person you like.
I don't know.
It's from my side loh.
Yeah,
You don't know.
I don't know because I never
Watch TV.
become a big fan of someone.
Oh.
Maybe just
So
like
maybe you have a famous person that have a look like you, or the character, or the face, or maybe the I don't know.
I never. Maybe I just like it, but not
How about
really
Prilly
fans.
Latukonsina, for example?
No, biasa aja sih. Ya nggak pernah sampai gimana-gimana gitu.
Oh.
Never too fanatic about artists or famous people.
People,
Yeah.
Your daily routine. Yeah, I know your
Makeup.
daily routine. Your future plans.
Tahu baju mbak. Punya aku gelap.
And your future plans.
Opening the gitu.
I don't know. Actually, yesterday I guess one of my students, just 8 years old, he is primary school. In primary school, he asked me, how long have I been teaching? And I said I have been teaching for 8 years. And then what I am asking him, so why do you ask about that? Because it's like you are not look like young, he said. But then from that question, I was thinking out loud. Maybe we are not forever to teach, of course, right?
Yeah.
Because I'm getting older, and the younger is, the fresh graduate students of the fresh graduate people will be more in the future. So
Yeah.
I was thinking that will I still teach when I'm getting older? Will the people still need me as a teacher? I was thinking about that, and it still become my
Biggest question atau apa? Yeah.
my big issue, yeah. What will I do in the next future? That's why, because of course the senior will be replaced by the junior, right?
Yeah.
So I'm thinking about that.
Pasti ada jalannya lah, misalkan the future is not just ngajar juga nggak sih, mungkin kedepannya punya sesuatu apa.
But for me, like teaching is not teaching. Yeah, teaching is like my this is what I can give to people. I'll be useful to the society. It's the way that I want to be useful. You know what? I have even though actually I have one candidate, or one candidate. Yeah, candidate of student. He is from Mijen. You know, from
Semarang, Mijen.
Semarang. You know, from my house to Mijen, need 1 hour.
Iya.
And I was thinking, like, I want to take the offer to teach to Mijen.
Why?
Not because how much money I got from that, but because it's not easy to find the student. It's like whatever how to keep me teaching, I will do it like that. Maksudnya aku pengennya seberapapun dimananya aku pengen tetap ngajar itu, walaupun jauh, karena gak gampang gitu ya, maksudnya nyari murid atau apa gitu. So I was thinking, udah juga gitu. Padahal yang dekat aja belum tentu ada kan, apalagi
Iya.
so many teacher, I mean tutor, center in Semarang, of course.
Oh, ada apa namanya? Apa sih namanya? Kayak
Saingan.
Nah,
I don't see as the saingan sih, I just see from the chance. Everyone have
oh,
different chance, have
iya.
different. So that's why maybe I'm gonna to take it, but then I rethink again. So it will was my time. I mean the journey to the there. So I don't know. So my future plan is still, yeah, still dark. I don't know.
Yeah, same.
Really,
Yeah, because
but maybe you have step by step you will go out from this life.
yeah, pasrah.
Until you graduate from your last semester, yeah, in this semester. You still don't know what will you do. You still, but I believe that you are still working, of course.
Yeah,
But you don't know for the next for the next step.
the next step. Still don't know. Itu kayak bahasa itu ya? Apa Rusia?
I don't know.
Iya, makanya jawabnya gitu Mbak. Kak Marshall.
Let me know if the time is over, yeah.
Iya.
Your best shopping experience.
I ever experienced this, but I forgot. Tapi pernah. Tapi di mana aku lupa, Mbak. Mana ya?
Never shopping experience is shopping online
Oh, why?
because it brings the courier. What is the courier? Yeah, the driver.
Oh yeah,
What is it? The sender.
yeah, the sender, the courier lah deh. Kan emang courier kan?
The courier to the big problem.
Why?
Because the mistake should be from the shop,
Oh, from the shop.
but because there is what is it like icon on TikTok, I just click the button and then bring me like what is it
CNT
GNT like
package.
what is it lapor GNT atau apa gitu kan. Oh itu actually I want to complain to the shop, but I do some mistakes. I complain to the GNT, and the GNT complain to the courier, and the courier called me that I have bring him to the big problem that the courier has to pay the what's it in English, the
Pay
tax
the
or
tax.
the tax or the denda,
Yeah. No.
the tax.
So the courier
So
was
it's my mistake. Yeah, man.
teriak sih.
Mostly kan man.
The call tuh teriak.
Iya, nggak teriak juga maksudnya.
I hate that.
Like 10 missed call, like. But it's my
Oh,
mistake
diangkat?
actually ya.
Marah nggak?
Iya,
Gimana?
ya kayak gitulah pokoknya. Mbak ini kan barangnya udah bener yang nyampe ini gini. Loh mas saya itu pesannya 2 gitu. Ya tapi bukan salah saya, itu salah tokonya. Kan saya cuma nganterin aja gitu. So it's
But
really
how
nice.
you fix? You can fix it.
And then yaudah nanti aku bilang kok yang apa service apa CS-nya namanya CS-nya itu loh CNT-nya kalau tak cabut laporannya itu loh, tak cabut laporannya gitu.
Bisa.
Ya terus habis itu aku nelpon CS-nya katanya harus ke kantor lah apalah di situ.
Kantor.
Enggak usah ke kantor kan, yang penting udah aku cabut, intinya tiba-tiba bisa aku cabut lah ibaratnya dari TikToknya itu.
Oh ya.
Kalau nggak dicabut itu bakal tetap didenda gitu. Ya udah maksudnya kalau misal karena aku bilang ini gajinya upnya kalau didenda itu didenda berapa ya, didenda 500.000 katanya kayak gitu. Terus habis itu caranya didenda gimana? Dari pengurangan gaji kurir itu. Ya terus emang gajinya kapan? pas itu tanggal 10 tanggal 10 gajian. Ya udah kalau udah tanggal 10 kalau gajinya berkurang nanti WA aku aja ntar ganti mas aku dan gak WA dan oke until
Udah,
yeah it's my mistake actually.
tapi udah
I need
clear ya.
yeah I have ordered two balls of Pampers ya. I bought a Pampers.
But then the store was kirimannya
No.
lah. Komplain
yeah,
harusnya.
that's why too long. I mean, the response is too long. The response is too long, and I hate it. So it's my first experience online
I have
shopping.
experience about feeling but this about food. I mean, aku tuh ampas banget, I don't know why. Mesti ya pernah lah dapat makanan yang bener-bener parah banget.
Oh, the taste or the what is it? The aesthetica or
No, not the taste.
but
Uh,
the service.
no, so one day
Uh-huh.
in my house in not my house, in my village ya, kan ada kayak kaki empat tuh, berjalan kaki tiga ya, kaki tiga apa kaki empat sih, orang kayak bergerobak tuh.
Dagang
Oh,
street food.
street food ya. The street food that sells kacang hijau sama kacang tanah.
Oh.
And then the seller have like cakwe and onde-onde lah. Biasa kan barengannya. And then it's I think 9 a.m.
Oh, in the morning.
in the morning.
You bought.
So I feel hungry and I want it. I buy it and then I buy like the cakwe. I buy it many. I think four, and then I buy my friend too.
Okay.
I brought for my friend too. And then when I eat in home, I not eat in the gerobak itu, in the
Yeah.
street food. Actually ada pilihannya, kayak bisa makan di gerobaknya itu. I don't want it because it's really hot in that time. So when I go in here and then I eat it and I see inside the cakwe is cockroach, but sumpah, really I not like. And
Cockroach.
cockroach, but really tiny, but so many.
Ih.
Wah, gila aku itu. First I think it's just maybe not insect, maybe it has like apa
Eggs
sih?
ya. Eggs of cockroach.
No, I think it's something kayak sini. Ini mungkin apa bekas gorengan apa gitu. Akhirnya tuh enggak itu pokoknya.
But still alive or not?
No,
Oh.
that's I think the cockroach is fried when with the
cakwe.
cakwe itu buset ngeri banget, aku beli banyak banget meneh itu tuh. The cakwe is so big, like really big. I mean like seginian lah, ada gedenya seginian mbak. Makanya aku pengen banyak lagi. Aku mau I really like cakwe.
The street food. I mean, how many customers? Has so many customers?
I don't know, but they sell that when waktu aku kecil, when I was kid, he start selling. Jadi benar-benar udah lama. Until now, still continued. But when I was kid, I don't find that thing. But then when I buy it after so long, and then I eat that. Ih, gede banget, sumpah mbak, langsung aku plastikin lagi, aku ngatain. Terus aku langsung when I realize, I go to my friend, like ask
Confirm about the accident ya.
but first I don't say the truth. I mean like, how about the way? Is it delicious or you find something? No, it's fine. Nothing happened. Why? I mean like, it's really the taste is good. Nothing weird. I just asked that, but my friend is really fine. I don't know.
Maybe it's only in your ingredient.
I don't
But how
know,
can it
but
be? Because it's become a one ingredient, one big ingredient, right?
maybe ya. Then I tell my mom, but my mom say ini tuh pelan. Aja kan aku gitu.
Apaan mas?
Ya, itu tuh bukan dibuat sama bapaknya tapi buat di pulaan gitu loh, Mbak.
Oh, I see.
Kayaknya kata Umi. Besoknya baru aku bilang temanku.
So the seller doesn't only sell cakwe but many
Yeah,
kinds
like-
of food.
No, just cakwe onde sama itu. But I think that he really made with his hand apa kacang hijau yang kacang tanah. Itu cakwe
kayak
onde
orang Filipin ya.
I think itu Filipin gitu. And the next day I tell my friend, but my friend really shocked.
Masa sih gitu?
Masa sih orang aku biasa aja ngomong gitu. Ya iki wis mandi lho ibu ora ono
But the first impression that I think that maybe the problem is from the seller. That's why I asked you, does the seller have many customers or not? If
Maybe
it's many
tahu.
customers means that maybe
Karena because
mungkin aku malah pikirnya something that mystic ya.
iya serem banget sumpah. But I don't know why. I don't know the customer is really many or not because in this village he just lewat just pass not ngetem gitu loh.
Oh iya.
Pikir tempat ngetemnya tuh nggak di sini. Tuh, so I don't know until now. But then some random day I buy it again. I think my friend deh buy it again. And then I kan masih traumatis. So aku kalau mau buka cakwe sih tak buka sampai tangan. Belum tak buka yang satu gitu. Oh no. Itu ngito apesmu kalau temanku aku but
You don't make sure that every cakwe has the same accident like that. I mean, you buy money, right? You bought many cakwe, but you only find only one cakwe. But
no. When in
every cakwe you open one by one.
Iya. Tapi cuma di kantongku.
Oh.
Ada, tapi dia punyanya temenku nggak tahu, katanya nggak ada, tapi dia tuh udah habis posisinya, jadi aku nggak bisa ngecek. Sama kan, udah kelihatan gitu, tapi dia udah habis gitu. Bawa pangan bawa ya. And I have same experience with another food. Hampir sama.
In a street food or restaurant?
In the online food. In the Gojek itu yang aku pernah ceritain itu. I found cacing. Apa sih namanya, ulat yang kayak ulat bulu tapi nggak berbulu tapi warnanya hijau. Ulat daun tuh loh yang ada di salad itu, Mbak. Wah.
Warm. I have experience, but not from my side, but from my mother. Like a street food, not street food, yeah, because street food is made there, but it's like what is it called? They sell
Warung
using gerobak ya,
Oh, yeah.
using gerobak mie ayam.
Oh, yeah.
And it's famous in Pasar Waru.
Oh.
Famous in Pasar Waru. The taste is delicious. There is no any weird things from the mie ayam. But one day when my mother and other customers buy, they found what is it? Like a platform.
Hah? Really? Ih, serem banget.
So many. I mean not so many like full of platform yet, but more than 1, 2, 3 like.
How can it be?
And they expect the customer expect that because the mie ayam is delicious, it's delicious. They expect that
Delicious, yeah.
it's not because the food, but because the place of the food. I mean the pan. Maybe because the seller always sells every day, the pan isn't washed. Ngerti gak sih? Kayak
Yeah,
dicuci.
but how can it be the seller doesn't know about it? ya kan?
Mm-mm.
It's really
Ini kan dia mikirnya kan
weird.
tiap hari kan juga gajinya dipakai sama ya, maksudnya menunya itu menunya kan mie ayam doang, jadi mungkin mikirnya nggak perlu dicuci kali ya, pakai lagi terus.
Gila.
Padahal itu ada cacing-cacingnya.
Bener-beneran ada itu
Ada?
lokut-lokut. Iyuh, berarti itu
After that accident, my mom never bought it again.
mungkin itu tuh waktu ada lalat ya.
Mm-mm.
Telur dah dulu di situ berkembang biak.
Iya.
And your mom doesn't complain.
I don't know.
It have to be complained because if we not complain, the seller will continue selling that again.
Should be, but I don't know the next story because I do not experience it, but my mom experienced it.
Gila ya, serem banget, lebih serem dari aku deh ketoknya.
Because mie ayam gitu loh, mie ayam kan dari
Belatung,
ayam.
gerak-gerak.
It's chicken. Yeah.
Buset,
Nih.
Lih. Oh, bayangin aku.
Can you imagine
No.
when the dish was you have a dish, so many dish in
Oh,
your
yeah.
wastafel in your sink, and you never I mean
Clean it.
yeah, I mean I don't say you never, but 1 week you do not clean.
It's really
It's
stink.
like food, you know.
Stink.
Yeah.
And that's why the insect
Itu kan
is
it's
come.
like berlumut, jadi kayak berlendir gitu kan, jadi
That's
kayak mirip
why-
food ya sih.
Iya, that's why
Karena nggak dicuci-cuci, numpuk di situ doang, nggak dicuci kan, because the water can bring microorganism. I mean can bring what is it? The microorganism live from the water. The water itu the start of living things. Loh. Ya kan?
Oh, so
Living things start from the water. All the animals start from the water, right?
water.
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 So yes, the worst experience, but not for me, for my mother.
Ikan. Kalian nggak bisa.
So much.
Wih. Udah, aku diambilin Hani kok. Nang. Ora. Terus. Ora yo nek ngomong karepe penting mangan nek ngomongmu ya. Nek aku rada ribet sih, tapi entek mergo ngeleh.
The second one, the second favorite food that I like is fish. After it, then chicken. Chicken is the last one. I have ever, but
It's really hard.
I bought the ready cook ya, the fish that ready cook.
Fillet.
Not fillet,
Frozen.
not frozen. Like
Already cooked.
already cooked. Already cooked, yeah, not already ready to cook.
Gimana tuh?
Ya udah dimarinasi, beli dalam ada di
Where?
Kosari.
In the pasar.
Yeah, not in pasar, but in like a street food, but selling lele marinated. Dimarinasi. Iya.
Jual ayam juga.
Kalau ayam jarang.
Sell marinade apa?
Ayam jarang. Maybe kalau ayam ada sih yang ready to cook, but frozen ya. Belinya di frozen.
Wah, itu enak loh. Tinggal goreng.
Iya.
Berarti minggu depan libur Mbak ya?
Oh iya bun.
Sama kan aku berangkat.
Oh iya. Ya, lancar perjalanan.
Amin.
Tapi
Pakai oven
I
ya.
hope that
Pakai oven.
from your family, how many families will
So many too, but I
Isa,
Isa, Umi, aku, Abi,
second wife,
Yo,
and
anaknya dua.
and how about the baby?
I think and then my auntie and my uncle from her.
Ukraine?
Grandma no,
Why?
because my grandma is umrah sendiri, but it close with my schedule to go there. I mean like when I go there, berangkat nih, fly And then a few days again, my grandma.
Umrah is how many days? I forgot.
Oh, grandma tuh 9
9 days.
9
9
days.
to 10 days.
9 or 10. Yeah, 10 for the apa transportation.
It's different with the Haji, yeah.
Oh, it's different. I think the haji is more longer, right? I
Yeah,
think.
like 1 month.
Hah?
I don't know deh.
No, masa sih?
Haji loh.
Ah,
Masa enggak 1 month?
my dad, no.
Oh, your dad Haji. Terus Haji apa sih namanya yang ekskursi gitu? Haji Wada.
Pokoknya haji. I still confused how like haji kan ada apa antrian
Yeah,
itulah
the entry.
antri
Itu
masuk
masuk.
ya. Antriannya banyak. But how can it
The
be?
QU.
Hah?
Antrian.
Masa QU?
Iya.
Pertama aku sumpah.
Really?
Really?
Or
QU?
it's my mistake. Maybe.
No, aku baru tahu karena aku tahu bahasa Inggrisnya antrian.
I know, but I forgot. Because I never use it. You know what? I don't know. It's my what is it? It's the feeling and this feeling is right or not, but a little weird. But when someone I have a news from any friend that will marry and she marry with with someone from another country, it looks like
You dream, right?
yeah you dream it. I dream it. So I feel like in pain. I mean, why I do not find any kind of friend as a husband that when I was young like that. I don't know if this feeling is right or wrong. It's just weird and
It's
it's just
normal,
weird.
right? I think it's normal because every person have their own dream and they doesn't reach it. Maybe it doesn't feel that does not gimana ya? Not yet to feel that. Maybe it can be that feeling like a bit sad, but not really. I mean, like something else. Yeah, maybe a bit sad. Gimana itu bahasanya?
Bacanya
Kiwi.
Q.
Q.
The Q.
The
Okay.
Q. Oh, itu.
Q. So this
Ih,
aneh. For me it's weird. Like when I want to go back to my past. But the thing that I got if I married with a foreign scenario, because I want to be rich by marrying. I want to travel the world by marrying the foreigner. But actually, the true or the real couple that really have foreigner as a husband is not that simple.
Iya,
It's not that easy.
iya,
It's not that happy.
happy, yeah.
It's just the same like us.
And actually, I think foreigner from I don't know, kan beda-beda kan, but mostly from European, masih Asia lah mungkin. It's more like untuk kita nggak, apalagi tahuan kita negara dari apa,
Yeah.
kadang dipandang rendah loh mbak. That's why it's more difficult because the family is not all accept you gitu loh. Maybe he can accept you, but we don't know. A few months later, what he can do gitu. Apalagi Eropa bisa aja kayak
When I was young, I have effort for that.
sampai yang ngejar-ngejar itu.
Yeah, I like chatting. That I will have a husband from another country. So, but when it just when I was young, when I was just not really young lah. But then by the time the dream is just gone, the dream just disappeared. So now
But
I'm here now.
for me, if you not married with foreigner, it doesn't mean you're not happy. Mungkin
Still happy.
in another mungkin ya
Maybe.
kalau if you married with foreigner, it will be not that simple and
I'm
You-
not that happy. as
nah
Yeah.
thinkingnya gitu mbak.
Because if
Pikir-pikir
the
kan
first the basic that I got, I mean that I think that because I want to have a rich husband, I want to to have traveling like that, like
Mhm.
that. I want to have new experience to, I mean, at least to go to somewhere abroad to know about the culture, to know
Oh,
about the question, the condition,
Yeah.
about the the vibe,
vibe.
like that. So maybe if I got the foreigner, even rich, maybe I will not get freedom as today.
Nah itu loh, and then not get this happy biar gitu.
And maybe my husband also maybe want me to cook every day, but I cannot cook.
Nah like that itu juga bisa. And then apa ya banyak lah. Then you know how about my story about rich man, right? I mean like really apa scared me lah. Some rich men, yeah, they have money so they can do anything what he want, but ya nggak semua, but some people maksudnya scary aja. Because they feel like they controlling,
They have power.
their power. Like kita nih apa gitu.
So we have different perspective here. I mean, if Jim is not marrying a rich man, I mean just normal. I mean just
I want to
Yes,
live
standard.
normal.
standard.
Ah,
So for me, I want to marry a rich man that time, yeah.
yeah.
When I was very young.
But it's really normal, right? Normal. I mean,
Because
like,
we also live in different
yeah. So every person have different dreams too.
experiences.
But when all this happen, I mean, like, I want the, I mean, like, you already married. Maybe we can take the positive side. Oh, segitu sih. Because what I want to do is now I'm being free like other people. So when I see my friend who can go anywhere, any town, like she can visit that, I a bit feel apa envy, enggak envy sih, lebih ke pengen gitu sih. And I feel sad always, but then I take the positive way because bisa aja nanti aku kalau bisa kemana-mana nanti bisa lebih parah lah entah gitu. Pokoknya I take the positive lah,
Okay.
even I want that so hard gitu mbak, and I try everything to reach that I want like that.
Sorry to say this. I mean to say it's my feeling right or wrong, but it's okay.
Ini nggak apa-apa nggak sih, itu normal aja. Tiap orang kan punya
Yeah.
perasaannya sendiri, punya karakternya sendiri, dan itu tuh kita tuh sekarang cuma bisa ya udah nerima dan ambil positifnya. Kayak mungkin kalau aku kayak gitu itu tuh nggak baik buat aku atau gimana gitu.
Maybe we can also get the experience, but not by marrying, maybe by our effort, yeah, or something like maybe it's a gift. We don't know.
Ya, I don't know. Oh, my friend told me, maybe you can free when you are married, like too scary. I mean like itu
Sorry,
yang
what did
bikin
you say? Maybe you can be free.
when you get married. Yeah, but you have a husband. You cannot be as free as when you are single.
But
Like
but
that.
um marrying atau marriage.
It's not easy ya.
Not easy. Doesn't mean that you can you can go out from the problem.
Nah itu.
It doesn't solve the problem.
Yeah, because
Marriage.
we have in this life we have the problem that always continue, that always come to us.
And maybe marriage the problem is getting bigger.
Yeah, that's
Kan
why.
kadang apa namanya, kadang aku capek kerja, aku capek ya ibaratnya
Ngasuh nanti bisa.
capek aku pengen nikah aja, padahal nikah juga gak menyelesaikan masalahmu yang sekarang. Justru setelah menikah masalahmu
Bisa
bakal
tambah besar.
so marriage is not the solving thing.
Orang apa anak temanku aku keluar diri mbak, astagfirullah,
It's okay.
sorry ya.
Then
Kan temenku ngomong gitu karena the rule in Islam kan I have to gimana sih, I must have the mahram.
oh yeah.
Iya kan, I mean like, wherever I go there should be mahram, and then like girl cannot go anywhere without mahram. So my father still menganut itulah. Jadi salah satunya kalau lepas dari orang tua kan nikah, salah cepet nikah berarti dia dipikirin gitu. But it's really apa ya? Dia make me sad juga. Kadang kalau when my friend wants to go
And
holiday,
you agree for that?
yeah, not really because I don't know what I mean like, iya kalau dapat suami yang baik, iya yang kalau dapat
No, I
suami yang
mean
baik.
you agree that when we go out we have to be with mahram.
Yes, but I'm not really fanatic. I mean like, ya emang ada yang kayak gitu, cuman nggak wajib banget deh.
Or maybe in some aspect, yeah, we need mahram. But maybe if we, for example, if we want to visit to go restaurant or to go somewhere, to go market,
I think it's just
do we need mahram to follow us gitu loh?
I think it's
Follow us.
itu cuman kayak apa, buat alasan biar I cannot go anywhere.
Oh,
Nah gitu, soalnya nyatanya aku pergi kerja kan nggak ada mahram, itu dari biarin kan. Ya kata temanku maybe one day, maybe ya.
ya kan sekarang udah bisa. Tinggal nyuri waktu.
Nah itu nyuri waktu.
Yeah. Okay, thank you for today's sharing. Sorry for taking your time. I know you are busy now. You will get what you are. You will reach what you dream of, and I hope that the life will be easier for you, even though the problem is getting bigger. Of course, yes, you are
Because
getting older,
growing
growing older. But it's okay. This is the phase of life,
and we have to face it.
yeah. We don't have choice to face some problems in our life, right?
We cannot choose to
We just can choose to how we solve it or how we face it. I mean, bersyukur or bersabar itu.
dua-duanya sih.
Iya sih. Cuma itu doang nih kuncinya ya. Ya, kita tutup. Bye. Thank you for today.
See you.